Okay, sorry. So previously I made an app like this, and let me just show you the app. And I do not have the like a swipe and edit functionality, and then I changed a little bit. So that's the reason I make this video to share you guys that you can actually do that. Okay, let me just run this app. Okay, so basically state, focus state, right? And we got text field, text. It's just like a divide or something like that. Yeah. And the text field, it turned out this swipe action have to like embed this item in the list. So basically you have to put the items inside of a list in order to dot at a swipe action. Okay, so basically here, click. Right now it's not focused. Click. You should like trigger the focus action, so you can change it, right? And of course, you click and it will automatically focus.